Google ADK versus n8n. Choosing the right AI automation platform can transform your workflow without complex setup. Google ADK offers seamless integration with Google services, while n8n provides open source flexibility and extensive customization options. Google ADK and n8n are powerful AI automation platforms designed to streamline tasks. The core difference is that Google ADK is a Google-centric development kit focusing on AI and automation within Google's ecosystem, while n8n is an open-source workflow automation tool emphasizing customization and extensibility. Google ADK, or the Google AI Developer Kit, is a comprehensive platform designed to build AI-powered automation directly integrated with Google's cloud services. It works by providing developers with tools and APIs that leverage Google's AI models, enabling automated workflows that tap into Google's ecosystem such as Google Cloud, Workspace, and more. Its strengths lie in its deep integration with Google's infrastructure, offering high reliability, scalability, and access to advanced AI capabilities like natural language processing and vision APIs. However, Google ADK is somewhat limited to Google's environment, making it less flexible for workflows involving third-party or on-premise systems. It is ideal for users and organizations already invested in Google Cloud and looking for a robust, scalable AI automation solution tightly coupled with Google services. n8n is an open-source workflow automation platform that allows users to create complex automation across numerous services without coding. It works by connecting various apps and APIs through customizable workflows, supporting over 200 integrations including databases, cloud services, and messaging platforms. Its key strength is flexibility, enabling users to self-host and modify workflows to fit unique business needs. n8n also supports conditional logic, loops, and error handling, making it suitable for advanced automation scenarios. On the downside, n8n requires more setup and technical knowledge compared to turnkey solutions and may demand maintenance when self-hosted. It is best suited for developers, small to medium businesses, or teams that want full control over their automation and prefer an open-source, extensible platform that is not confined to a single ecosystem. Comparing Google ADK and n8n highlights a trade-off between ecosystem integration and customization. Google ADK excels in automating workflows tightly integrated with Google services, perfect for organizations relying heavily on Google Cloud and Workspace. It offers seamless AI capabilities, but is less adaptable outside Google's environment. In contrast, n8n shines in flexibility, supporting a vast range of third-party apps and self-hosting options, making it ideal for diverse automation needs beyond a single provider. However, n8n demands more technical involvement and maintenance. For example, a marketing team using Google Workspace might prefer Google ADK for its simplicity and reliability, while a startup with varied software tools would benefit from n8n's extensibility and control. Choosing between them depends on your existing infrastructure and how much customization you require. Google ADK is recommended for users deeply invested in Google's ecosystem, seeking scalable, AI-powered automation with minimal setup and strong native integration. n8n is ideal for those needing an open-source, flexible automation platform with extensive integrations and customization. Its control and adaptability make it a strong choice for businesses with complex multi-service workflows outside Google's environment. Choose the platform that best fits your work.